This is my Betty, a Royal Enfield Meteor 350. And wow, she is simply put delightful to ride. And she also opened my eyes and gave me clarity on what type of rider I am. If you like speed, look elsewhere, as this will not be for you. But I dare you to try one, and it might even change your mind and let you remember what biking is all about. If we look at design, the Meteor 350 carries a familiar cruiser silhouette with a teardrop tank, wider handlebars and a long slung stance. While it doesn't look radically different, the fit and finish are noticeably improved, with a premium paint quality and parts such as switchgear and chrome detailing on the higher options. Specifications, well, you find most of this online already, and you've probably seen thousands of videos showing exactly the same thing, so I'm just going to go very quickly through the main parts. 314E and 349cc air-cooled and single cylinder, 20.2 brake horsepower, 27 of torque, 765mm seat height, great for shorter riders. Dual channel ABS, which is quite good. Sadly no traction control, but then again it's a 20.2 brake horsepower bike, so do you really need traction control for that? No, not really. And a tripper now on my version from Royal Enfield, which is a lovely addition, but I actually never used it. I have an IoT C3 Plus that I use instead. The engine is tuned for a low-end torque, providing you then with a lot of nice pull early in the revs, which suits city riding excellent as well as cruising. As I mentioned, a proper thumper this, and it will put a smile, it did, on my face in every gear. Ergonomics, well, we already mentioned about seat height, and it's got to be said that this is one of the strongest points of the Meteor. The low seat, the semi-forward set foot pegs, the upright handlebar, which is a little bit wide as well, gives you a laid-back riding posture. The setup makes for long rides comfortable, but I would say that the seat and the shocks, which I'm going to talk about a little bit later, has to be adjusted for a longer ride. But it's definitely confidence inspiring, especially for shorter riders, or in my case, I'm not especially short, but I got short legs. So yeah, great on ergonomics. The ride. Well, the Meteor 350 delivers a smooth, easygoing riding experience. That's clear. Its refined engine, the J-series engine, produces almost no vibes, but it does provide the single cylinder thump, which is something that if you buy this bike, or if you choose to ride this bike, that's what you want. Suspensions, well, the shocks on the back, they are preloaded, they're not high quality, but you're buying a bike, in most cases from Royal Enfield, are set up for you to customize it after your needs. I can say this, I'm 18 stone heavy, and I just stiffen the preload up to 2 from top, and awesome, not a problem at all. So even the shocks that come with the bike, only preload adjustable, the back shocks should be working just fine for you. The front shocks are non-adjustable, but they don't need to. She is decent, very easy to ride, very direct, easy to lean with. Yeah, Some people will find it hard to adjust to the toe heel shifter. I know Tech Parts in the UK have got a conversion kit there if you want to spend money on that. Personally, I love the toe heel shifter. It made it even easier to ride. So yeah, I wouldn't have changed that. And do you know what? It doesn't ruin my shoes. You don't have to have protection on your toe tip because you're clicking the gears up and down all the time. So yeah, the ride, really nice for me. Easy, confidence inspiring, everything you heard online basically. Accessories. Well, there's multiple places around the world offers a wide range of both official and third-party accessories. Windscreen, backrest, touring seats, and anything you would want really. Also plenty to get directly from China, AliExpress or Temu. But also India, I found, is a great place source for upgrading your Meteor 350 to your style and your needs. Which leaves me to the summary of this absolutely stunning Betty, as you see a picture of now. She is to the day the easiest bike I have ridden and is massively confidence inspiring. So it's a great choice for a laid-back bimbo and daily commutes. With a ton of character. It absolutely excels in the ergonomics, as I mentioned. The refinement of the J-Series engine is awesome, rock solid, bulletproof, and everyday usability is high on the list. I can understand that some people might feel that the bike is underpowered. I don't think the horsepower is the issue. Probably is the fact that it's such a solid bike and so much weight on it that if you just shed some weight, I don't think you will have a problem with the bike at all. Changing to lithium battery, for instance, that's going to save you 3 kilos right there. You change the slip-on on the exhaust, you're going to save easily another 1.5 to 2 kilos. So we're talking 5 kilos on those two alone. You put a DNA filter, get an open, free-flowing exhaust, that bike will go totally different for you.